Hello good people, in this tutorial I'm just going to share with you knowledge on the best camera settings for an iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's say you buy your iPhone 16 Pro Max. Before you use it, these are the most basic camera settings that you would want to set. We are talking about crispy pictures, we are talking about crispy videos, videos that are up to point, So please, let's delve into it. Let's check which of the settings you have to set up today. So you go to the settings first. When you go to settings, let's open settings in your iPhone. You go to camera settings. In the settings section, when you get to camera settings, there is system settings where there's camera control. That one, you leave it like that, it's okay. Then photographic styles should be put on standard. Photographic style here should be standard, it's okay like that. Then you go to record video. Record video, it's good to leave it at 4K at 60 frames per second, because you're sure that your video is of high quality, and also the speed, when there is speed or motion in the video, it takes it very good. It's a good picture quality when it's on 4K at 60 frames per second. Then we go to record slow-mo. Because the video will be slow, you need a higher frames per second recording, which is of 4K at 120 frames per second. So make sure you choose that one. Let's go to record in cinematic. In cinematic, we need a 4K at 30 frames per second. This is cinematic video, so it really has to be on 4K at 30 frames per second. This is also one of the settings that I found to be very useful. Then you go to record sound, leave it at partial audio, spatial audio, and then allow audio playback and wind noise reduction. There should be wind noise reduction, okay. Then let's go to mirror front camera. You turn it on, then view outside the frame, leave it like that, as on as it is. Then portraits in photo mode should be put on. That portrait in photo mode, leave it on. Prioritize faster shooting, lens correction, macro control, all those settings should be left like that. Under formats, there is high efficiency, tick that one. Then Pro RAW and resolution control, make sure that it's ticked. Pro default, Pro RAW max, right. Then what else? Let's look at this one. Camera mode should be switched on always. Then portrait zoom on, live photo on. The other ones, don't worry about them, but the ones that I've shown you, these are the most basic settings that you need for your pictures to come out as nice as they can be. So guys, I think if you put these settings on your phone, you just bought your iPhone 16 Pro Max, you put these settings, I'm sure these will give you a good outcome, good picture quality or video quality. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, and also comment if you have any questions. Whatever I know, I'll share with you, because here at tutorials for you, we give you all the information that we think will be useful to your guys. Cheers, this is your boy Tinashe ZW.